Planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of June 29th to July 5th, and on the 4th, it is the 4th of July, which is Independence Day in the United States. I'm using the Meet Me kit from Sadie stickers this week. I'm not using a patriotic themed kit because I really do not like the color red. I really don't like the color red. So you just generally probably will not see it in my planner. And I used to say that like you won't see it in my planner until Christmas, but at Christmas they come out with pink Christmas kits, which I'm likely to purchase a pink Christmas kit. So you probably won't see red in my planner at all. But Christmas is probably the closest time. But for 4th of July, I usually do try to like mark the holiday. And so sometimes, depending on what sticker I have to mark that day, there may be some red there, but I think I may just have that in like silver foil. So I may not even have red there. Let's just say I'm not a fan of that color. So, but I do try to pull in a kit that has blue in it for this week. Because I don't have a problem with being patriotic. I just can't stand that color. Anywho, I'm using the Meet Me kit. On this page we have our 9 full boxes and they are foiled with silver foil, and this full box says "Meet me where the sky touches the sea," and it is so beautiful. On this page we've got bottom washi, date covers, some label stickers, bow flags, and then some foiled washi strips here. This page is also foiled. This kit is so gorgeously foiled. We've got 3 different bow headers, foiled bow headers at the top there, some bow page flags, layering icons, more page flags, appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes. And on this page, which is not foil, which is fun because there's so much more foil going on in this spread, we've got half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment labels, bill due stickers, habit trackers, our Monday through Sunday trackers, and then some both full and half bow checklist boxes. So lots of great stickers to work with this kit. I always enjoy using Sadie's kits to plan with. They're so well designed and I enjoy using them in my planner. So let's go ahead and get started with this spread and start putting some stickers down. Okay, let's get started with this voiceover. This is going to be an interesting one, you guys, because it is 4th of July as I'm recording this. It's not even dark out yet, and there are already fireworks going off, so I am pretty sure you might hear some in the background. Hopefully it won't pick up on my phone. So let's hope for the best. I'm starting, as I usually do, by putting down my bottom washi, and I really loved both the ocean strip and then the sparkly foiled strip of bottom washi in this kit. The date dots that I'm using are from Rose Color Days. I'm just going to add those to the date covers and place them at the top of the page. Once I've got that done, I'm going to start building my sidebar. I wanted to do something really fun with my sidebar this week and bring in some really cute elements. And I had these butterfly stickers from Honey Inked, and kind of like that's kind of my process when I sit down to plan. I pull out my kit and then I start going through my stickers and trying to figure out what kind of sort of decorative element I want to bring into the spread for that week. And I try to kind of like rotate through the different types of decorative elements I have in my stash and try to do something a little bit different and creative each week because that's the fun part for me, just kind of like thinking outside the box. And so I decided to go with butterflies this week. So much fun with these butterfly stickers. I think they're so pretty. And so I had this half butterfly from Honey Inked and I layered it with the July script from Rose Color Days at the top, then put down the full box from the kit. I've got one of those they're called pen inked stickers from Honey Inked, and it's a divider. So I refer to them as dividers. It doesn't say it in the title of the sticker, but I call them dividers. Then I created my school section using the page flag and one of those 3 bow checklists. And then I'll use the Monday through Sunday tracker for my dinner section for the week. I try to keep that dinner section towards the middle or the top of my sidebar column because I am a lefty, and writing on that sidebar column with my hand falling off the page, it makes it easier when I have to do a lot of writing the higher up in the column it is. And so I'm going to finish out my column with my habit trackers, which all I have to do is check those off. There's no writing required. I wanted to use the habit trackers from the kit. I considered it, but I realized I didn't really want to bring in too much green with this spread. So that was why I decided to go with the silver foiled habit trackers that I have from Netty Designs. All of these scripts that I'm using in the sidebar are custom scripts that I got from Sticky Sloth Designs, and I decided to go with tracking my skincare and workouts for my habit trackers for this week. Now let's move on to the day by day. Starting on Monday, I'm going to put down one of the bow headers from the kit. We're going to skip over where I'm keeping track of what week of working from home it is, because I'm going to come back to that because I really do not like the way that I wrote that. So we're just going to pretend that's not there and let's move on. I put down a label sticker and layered a cell phone icon from Crafts by Towie on top of that. Wanted to text my mom some pictures from my godkid's birthday, and so that she could see the pictures of the kids. Then put down the full box for Monday, added another one of those bow headers, and then I was trying to decide between using either that Give and Girl bowstrung box in either the blue or this kind of blush tone, which I liked the kind of soft blushy tone because it picked up on the sand that was in the full box and in some of the other full boxes that were in this kit. And so I wanted to bring in a third color. I didn't want it to be green, but I did really like sort of adding in more of that like sand colored blush tone to this spread. Then put down a label sticker to mark some homework that I had to do, and that books icon was from Crafts by Towie. The workout that I marked was a icon sticker from the Pretty Pink Coat. Then I went back up to the top, and this is where I'm going to fix that whole work from home fiasco. I really didn't like how I wrote that, so I whited it out, put down a quarter box, put that mini half mandala from Honey Inked back on top of there, and then realized when I put down that divider from Netty Designs that I didn't like it sitting on top of the mandala, so I lifted that and tucked it underneath there. So I feel like that was definitely an improvement. All right, on to Tuesday. I'm going to start by putting down a header at the top of Tuesday, and I'm using just a silver foiled header from Netty Designs. Then I'm going to place down a bowstrung box. I had serious issues at the top of the columns on both Monday and Tuesday because we're going to go back up and fix that because, again, same situation, my handwriting. I don't know what was going on with me. But anyways, put down the full box for Tuesday, and then I used an arrow from the kit, layered a school script from Sticky Sloth Designs, and then used one of those cute half butterflies to mark some chapters that I needed to read for school. Then I'm going to place down a header from the kit and one of those half mandalas from Honey Inked. Those things are just so gorgeous, right? They're just like the most amazing focal point. Here's where I go back and swap out that bowstrung box because it's just like the words were off-centered the way I wrote them the first time, and I was just like, ugh, no. So now that that's fixed, I'm going to go back, put down a label sticker, and use a cute little car icon from Crafts by Towie. I needed to return some things that I purchased on Amazon, so I went to the UPS store to just exchange those. And then put down a half box from the kit. I have a vacation that's scheduled for October. I don't think that vacation is going to happen, but my travel agent called and it was like, okay, it's time for final payment for this vacation. And I'm just like, I don't think this is going to go, but sure, let's do that. So I took care of that on Tuesday, and then I started looking at flights. Do not book a flight, and I'm not going to anytime soon because I need to see if this is even going to happen with this whole COVID thing going on. So don't want to get ahead of myself. Anyways, on to Wednesday. Started with a bow header, then put down a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design, and the Hello July script is from Artbox Stickers. And then because I clearly felt like that was just not fancy enough, either that or I was just really on a whole little butterfly kick for this week, I decided to add some cute little butterflies from Netty Designs to the Hello July, which actually I really love how that came out. The butterflies were just a fun little touch this week. And I'm using a half box to mark that my furlough hours had ended at work. For the last month and a half, my work hours have been cut from a normal work day of 40 hours a week to 30 hours a week. And so I'd been working 6-hour work days. And so I felt like Wednesday was going to be a really long day because it was going to be my first time working a full 8 hours in quite some time. It actually wasn't that bad. I think I got a little unnecessarily dramatic about that and thought it was going to be be like, oh my God, it's gonna be such a long day. It was fine. Then I put down one of those dividers from Honey Inked, used a page flag from the kit, and layered that cute little pin cup icon from Crafts by Towie. I don't know what it is about that pin cup icon. I feel like it works for work, school, anything crafty or plannery. It just feels like such a versatile icon to me. But I used it to mark some reading that I needed to do for school. Then put down the appointment label sticker with the ballet slippers to mark a barre workout that I was doing on YouTube. And then the edit plan with me script is from Letters to Apollo. On to Thursday, I started by placing down the full box for Thursday, and then I'm going to use, actually before I finish that column, I'm just going to go across the rest of the week from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and place down the headers at the top. I've gotten into the habit of doing like a pattern of headers at the top of my spreads, which is kind of fun because I used to didn't use headers as much at all. So I've really been enjoying incorporating those into my spreads a bit more. Friday was my husband's birthday, and so I absolutely had to mark that with one of those adorable Giving Girl bowstrung boxes. The cupcake is from Rose Colored Days, and the Celebrate script is from Artbox Stickers. I'm also going to use Artbox Stickers' Happy 4th of July script. So I put down this cute little ocean waves half box. It was like my favorite half box in the kit, and I thought it would be really cute to layer the 4th of July script on top of it. Sometimes I feel like it's a little bit hard to read that 4th of July with the whole waves pattern in the background. But I don't know. Can you guys see it? I can see it. I don't know. Maybe I'm being a little unnecessarily like feeling like, ugh, you can't barely read it, but maybe you can. So I hope you can. And then I also added a cute little grill sticker, and that was from Crafts by Towie. And then I started putting down the rest of the full boxes for the second half of the week. At the bottom of Thursday, I'm placing down one of those sparkly bow headers using another one of those half butterflies and the arrow little layering piece from the kit. I'm going to add a YouTube script on top of that. As you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, because I feel like this is something I keep marking, and it's just that I've been wanting to make sure I try to stay on top of replying to comments, and so I try to stay on top of that each week because you guys leave me the nicest comments. Thank you. And then I'm going to move back up to the top of the column, put down a half box vertically, use a half mandala from Honey Inked layered on top of that, and then using a work script from Netty Designs, marking some things I needed to take care of for work. Then put down a label sticker and using this school script. I have been trying to incorporate these school scripts into the week a little bit more because school's almost over for me, and so I don't need them just exclusively for my sidebar, and I just need to use up all these stickers now. So I feel like I'm trying to use my school scripts more than I used to. Underneath there, I used a layering sticker from the Pretty Pink Co. And then that planner stack icon was from Planner Pixie Co. Then I had this really fun idea to do with these butterflies. I so enjoyed using these this week. And so I was like, oh, wouldn't it be fun to like put them like on opposite sides, like anchoring the sides of the column, and then put my day off script in the center of them. I put it down on the page, loved the way that it came out, and I was just like, that is just so much fun. That's the thing I really love about Honey Inked stickers. She has such great decorative elements that really just give me the opportunity to do really fun creative things on my spreads, and that just makes me so excited when I'm planning. So I had a lot of fun doing that. Then I put down a page flag, added a YouTube icon because I uploaded my May highlights video on Friday. On this label sticker, I'm adding 2 hearts from a Rose Colored Days freebie, and just marking that I spent the day hanging out with my husband because it was his birthday. And then I shifted that down and added another one of those heart dividers from Netty Designs in between there because I ended up having kind of like some awkward space and nothing else to mark on Friday. On to Saturday, started by sleeping in. So I'm using those cute PJs icons from Crafts by Towie. And oh my goodness, here we go again, y'all, with these super fun little items from Honey Inked. So I took one of her mini half mandalas and then sliced one in half and layered it kind of next to each other because I had a little bit of spacing here. I didn't want to do just another divider. I wanted to do something a little more creative. And so I decided to just kind of like layer these mini half mandalas and turn them almost into like a divider. And it came out so cute. I'm so obsessed with it. I love the way that came out. Then I put down a quarter box from the kit. The cutlery and dishes icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. And I use that to mark eating barbecue because it's the 4th of July. And then I put down a layering icon from the kit, the nail polish stickers from Crafts by Towie to mark painting my nails, and finished off the column on Saturday with a label sticker and just wrote in, enjoy the fireworks because it's 4th of July. And that's exactly what I want to do on 4th of July, is enjoy the fireworks. On to Sunday. My Sunday is going to be filled with homework. I keep telling myself there's only a few weeks left and then homework will no longer be a part of my life. It's what's getting me through, you guys, because trust me, I'm so over this. But also at the top of Monday, I used a planner icon from Crafts by Towie, and the Plan With Me live script is from Letters to Apollo to mark that this Plan With Me that you are watching right now, of course, went live. Then to finish up Sunday, I'm going to jump down to the bottom of the column, add a half box, layer a skincare icon from the Pretty Pink Co., and then use another one of those layering icons from the kit, add a sports bra also from the Pretty Pink Co., and I'm marking a workout, and then of course just body care and skincare. And that finishes up my spread for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're all having an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.